9818.75 square meters. Now cost is what, 0.6 per square meter. So what we have, 9818. So multiply it. So you will get 5891.25 rupees. That is the total cost of that what bedding, cost of leveling. Okay. Next, a man runs around a circle at a radius of 50 meters at a speed of 12 kph. The time taken by him for going around in it 10 times is, here he is running on the circumference, so just find the circumference and then multiply it by what speed and do all these calculations, and then multiply it by 10. Okay, so 12 kph means first we will have to convert it into meter per second. Why? Because radius is in meters and speed is in kph. So convert kph to meters. How do we do it? Here 12 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second, because 1 kilometer is 1000 and r is 3600 seconds. Here we also have 5 by 18 as a direct number, but every time remembering these numbers is a tough job. So always do the calculations on your part and it becomes easier. Okay, so 12 into 5 by 18, so you get 10 by 3 meter per second. That is a speed in meter per second now. So circumference is what, 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into r is 50. So multiply it, you will get 314 meters. Okay, for one round time taken is what, time equals to distance upon speed, right? So distance is what, 314 meters, right? That is the circumference. Upon speed is what, 10 by 3. So 3 goes up, 314 into 3 upon 10. So it becomes 942 divided by 10, 94.2 seconds. So this is the time for one round. So 10 rounds means what? It was 94.2 seconds for one round. So 10 rounds it will be into 10. So 942 seconds. What is 942 seconds in terms of hours and seconds? 942 means 900 plus 42, right? 900 is divisible by 60, right? So it becomes 15. So 15 what? Seconds, then minutes. So 15 minutes and 42 seconds. That is the answer. Next, a square water tank has its sides equal. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.